How to create YouTube Shorts video with pictory.ai. Pictory.ai is an AI short video maker besides long videos. Watch this.
I want to remind you today that your future is in your hands. The effort you put into yourself now will shape the life you live tomorrow. Growth isn't easy, but every challenge you face, every skill you develop is preparing you for the success you deserve.
This is the short video I made by pictory.ai. And now I will show you how I make this YouTube short video with AI. Pictory.ai is a tool that lets you quickly and easily create videos in short or landscape size. You can make short video with Pictory.ai in seconds. Just upload a script, article, blog post, or visuals, and Pictory will transform it into a professional video with just a few clicks. You have two ways to make a YouTube short. First, you have a script and you want to make a short video. Second is when you want to turn a long video to short video with AI. I tell you both of them. For make short video from text, click here. Now paste your script. Then click here to continue. This is the video that Pictory.ai make for you. Now first of all, you have to click here on Format option. Then choose Portrait option. Now your video is short form. But you can make some customization if you want. You can watch the slides, and if you want to change one footage, click on Visual option. Then search for your desired footage. Here you have too many videos to choose from this big library. Work with Pictory.ai is really easy, and anyone can easily make video with this AI tool. Click on this option. Here you have two sections for music and voiceover. It has filter to choose a good genre and mood, and you can choose the best for your niche. After set all these, you can now have some customization for subtitle. As you can see, Pictory.ai has an auto caption system. That is perfect. Now you can change the font size, and style. Click on this option. Here you have too many items. Choose one of them based on your favorite. Now your video is ready. And this is the exact video I show you at the beginning of this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Now, if you have a long video and want to make a short video from it, here you have to click on this option. Now upload your video here. Pictory.ai will analyze your video and make a short form for you. Here in the left part, you have video transcription sentence by sentence. Here you have a filter to choose how many minutes you need. I choose 1 minute. Now you will see that it will analyze and choose the best sentences and part for me. The green lines are selected for the video. You can also see them from here. Here you can see the length of the video. And if it is more than 1 minute, you can remove some parts, or even you add some sentence by select the sentence easily. In this way, your video will be created in the easiest way. Now, to make it as a short video, choose portrait type from here. I tried so many tools, and this AI video maker is really easy to work and worth it. Now your video is ready to download. But if you want more customization, you can choose this option. It will go to the previous section I had explained earlier. In this video, I show you how to use Pictory.ai to create YouTube Shorts step by step in 2 different ways. If you want to make your own YouTube short video, you can use the link below to try it for free.